we can discuss the important news reported in the Hindu today. So let's go through the important pages on Hindu. In national news, Hindu reported credit guarantee extended to large firms self-employed. It's about the emergency credit line guarantee scheme. It is introduced by Ministry of Finance Department, Government of India. It guarantees for providing 100% coverage for additional working capital term. It also guarantees 20% entire outstanding credit up to 25 crores. In other national news, the Hindu explained about recent COVID-19 cases and the role of ICMR. Let's look about the ICMR. ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, is an apex body in India for formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research. It's the oldest and largest medical research body in the world. Its headquarters in New Delhi and it formed in 1911. In the national news, the Hindu reported about EIA draft translation issue and an issue about the publishing of this report in 3 languages instead of 22 languages which mentioned in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. It's about Environmental Impact Assessment Notification 2020 issue regarding the translation of 3 Indian languages, Marathi, Nepali and Odia. Delhi High Court decreed that the draft be translated into at least the languages mentioned in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. There are 22 languages in 8th schedule. The important languages are Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Sandali, Maithili and Dogri. The other national news, the Hindu reported about One Nation, One Ration card. It's about food security benefit linked to Aadhaar card. The migrant workers will be able to buy rice and wheat from any ration shop. More than 85% people covered under the National Food Security Act or NSFA. Now 24 states, including 65 crore people, integrated in One Nation, One Ration card scheme. Its fully operational states are Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana, Tripura, Gujarat, Jharkhand and Punjab. In the international news area, we can read about Arab world's first nuclear plant achieved critically. It's Barakah, UAE's first power station, the first nuclear power station in Arabian Peninsula, the first commercial nuclear power station in the Arab world. The site in the Garbia region of Abu Dhabi on the coastline between Persian Gulf and Ruwais. In the Science and Technology page, the Hindu reported about the recent inventions regarding the surface of Venus. We know that it's cooled and hardened. The news reports about published in Nature Geoscience, Venus is still geologically active. The study identified 37 active volcanoes on the surface of this celestial body. Venus is the second natural brightest object after Moon. Another news regarding the science and technology is novel coronavirus circulated unnoticed in bats for decades. And this study mentioned about novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, which has so far infected over 17.6 million people and killed 6.8 million over the world. SARS-CoV-2 means that severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 of the genus beta coronavirus. Here the report mentions about bats, the cause of primary reservoirs. The SARS-CoV-2 virus diverged from closely related bat viruses 40 to 70 years ago. The Science and Technology news also reported the Hindu about the social distancing. That means over 2 weeks, 46 countries prevented an estimated 1.57 million cases. Data indicated that significantly greater reduction in transmission were seen in countries after implementing a national social distancing policy. The national news area, we can read about Ayodhya, the recent verdict on Ayodhya case and all. Here, we can read about demolition of Babri Masjid and movement of Ram Mandir. The old name of Ayodhya is Audh, an Indian city, Faizabad, Uttar Pradesh. Ayodhya location is a location of several temples and Muslim shrines. The background of this news was the destruction or the destruction of the right in 1992. The verdict released in 2010 at Allahabad court. Recently, the 9th November 2019, 5-judge bench of Supreme Court unanimously announced an order. The order was Government of India to create a trust to build a Ram Mandir temple and form a board of trustees within 3 months. In India's international relations, we can read about Rafale jets. Here, the report mentioned about some features of Rafale jets is a new face of Indian Air Force and it's an omni-role fighter. This jet has its own features regarding air superiority and air defense, close air support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strikes and nuclear deterrence, equipped with the active electronically scanned radar, and it also carry a load of over 9 tons. Thank you for listening to this.